See that striped bass right there? Right there. It's a pretty decent sized fish. Too bad I don't have my rod. What you doing, man? Just watch out for the slippery ones. Alright. Well, today we are at Climbers Run. It wasn't too bad of a drive. It's the weekend. Mommy is off. Did you just fall in? I heard it. No, it just fell in the water.
And make sure you have the grip before you.
Fair enough, light right here. Yep. We just took the chance. We have a little bit of the first half of today. We have the kids with us, so we decided to come out to this trail. And then later on, me and Kayla are going to get some time by ourselves because Grammy and Grampy are watching the kids. So we're going to go out to eat. I don't know, probably grab some drinks or something. We'll see. Did you get a haircut?
Yes.
Yeah.